How you doing, folks? I missed you. So I had to lay it down, put another video down, put it on the line, you know what I'm saying? You gotta put your heart on the line sometimes. If you're gonna be, if you're gonna come correct. All right. Despite what some of you think, I've never been to New York City. I sure have fun with that one though. Anyway, okay, listen, I dried some tomatoes one time. I don't think I showed anybody. I just wanted to go through it real quick, show you the process. And, there goes my closet. I have a tennis shoe in my closet, in the frame of the video. There's my shoe. Well, you guys get to see what's in my closet, okay? I bet you've been wondering what I'm hiding in my closet. Well, nothing, actually. Cleaned that out a long time ago. But that is my Adidas tennis shoe back there that I use, for sporting, when I'm sporting around. Going grocery shopping, picking up tomatoes, like these beautiful heirloom tomatoes I got that I never used I was gonna do a caprese salad for the food channel, but I didn't. And now, remember, I don't let my vegetables go to waste, so I'm gonna dry them. And these are great because these are heirlooms. So, and I got a basket of cherries in case I did a different type of skewer, like for the caprese. Sometimes I do I won't go into it because you know what, I'll just leave you wanting more of that. And this time with my tomatoes, I'm gonna dry it with some pepper, which is a classic blend. I do some dishes, a kosher paella, and that's like a rice dish with a meat. Usually you're supposed to have like a seafood blend and all kinds of chicken, all kinds of stuff in it. Spicy, Spanish dish, Espanol. But, wait, was that Spanish? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna chop these up real quick. I'll bring you close. And then, I got some shoes, so I might as well, like maybe I'm like the Mr. Rogers. I'll change shoes for you. Like, hi kids, we change our shoes. Remember how peaceful that was? I don't know. I never understood why Tom Hanks would do a movie based on that. I mean, it's exciting. Anyway, cut. Okay, we're back here at the cutting board, and what's happening here is I want you to see that I really did neglect this. I let a tomato go. These are really beautiful ones too. I selected them, they're so nice. And then I let them go, and then, things like that happen. It's terrible. So now I gotta get rid of it, you know what I'm saying? Not the whole thing, just the parts like that. And I'm going to slice these. And, oh man, those actually look beautiful, huh? Oh boy. Remember this knife I told you that has the grooves on it? And it takes away the surface tension so the product doesn't stick to the knife. Isn't that nice? These are the Woolstoff. A lot of people ask me what knives I use. I use Woolstoff. These are a German knife, really excellent steel. I got them because when I was a rookie, okay, there's some chefs out there who will still tell you I'm a rookie. I don't care. But when I was a real rookie, I knew that I needed a set of knives that were going to take a lot of abuse from a guy who doesn't know a dang thing, right? So I was like, and I should stick with a brand. So I was like, what brand should I do? Maybe I'll do like, one of those big top line stuff. This is actually kind of a top line knife, of course, Woolstoff, but there's other ones that, people say are a lot better and all that, but I don't agree, because this knife is the kind of knife that will really take a beating from a rookie. And then it still lasts a lifetime. And I know actually a lot of great chefs that use Woolstoff, they prefer them. And the reason I wanted to stick with a type of brand was because I would get used to the type of steel, the weight, how they balance them. It all makes sense. And also, when you have the same kinds of steel, you know how they sharpen, how they get dull, all of that. And then when your whole set behaves the same, you really can expect the performance that you're looking for. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of some of the bad stuff because I know you guys aren't gonna eat the bad stuff, right? You're gonna eat the good stuff. I'm gonna give you the good stuff, okay? All right, so we're gonna get through these. Now these are actually really soft tomatoes. That's why I'm glad I have this knife out right now, because this one, if I had any other knife right now, it would just smash them because they're so soft right now. Anyway, I'm not gonna bore you with that, but I'm also gonna do the peppers, okay? I'm gonna mince all that, and we're gonna do a pepper, tomato, dry, okay? All right, this is the moment of truth for the dried tomato and jalapeno pepper. Well, we're gonna be throwing this in there at about 170 degrees on a convection oven setting. So like the fan's actually blowing. It's like a dry air, and it's drying out these things. Now, what else are we gonna need? A little bit of salt, just to draw out that water. Not that it's not falling out already. You can see it's a lot of water in this one. But I like a little bit of salt. It just brings a little blessing. Okay? Melech is salt in Hebrew, by the way. And we'll bring this back to you dried. Shalom.
Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the finished product. This is the sun-dried heirloom tomato and jalapeno. Oh, there's some cherry tomatoes in there too. Anyway, this is probably some of the most flavorful spice I have in my entire house. You'll throw this on all kinds of stuff. Eggs, soups, salads, you name it. And you're gonna add some pizzazz to your dish. Okay, happy drying and shalom.